work in construction line. I have a very good project at Ambedkar Road, Joy Legend. And because associated with Vicky Bhai Khandari is the most prominent known personality in कार बंदा करते कुछ तो he just called me once sir आपका नाम चाहिए so I said नाम नहीं मेरे को अब तक जुड़ना है. That's the reason I have associated with MCS and Vicky Bhai.
Do you sponsor the event?
See, sponsorship is a very bad terminology. It's a support that we are going giving to each other so that we can grow.
Did you see this match? Can you tell us about it?
No, I was a bit late, but I've seen the score. I guess Sunrisers will give a good tough match to Bandra Rockstars. So let's see, because yesterday was a very tight match between Bandra Rockstars and Crocodile Alliance. So let's see.
So your main motive is to motivate the
youngsters, and we need to build a healthy environment and sports environment for all the people like us. After 35, we don't play cricket, and we go into a business event. To get again young at an age after 35.
Any plan you have other than this? From the corporate industry?
No, not right now, but as per Vicky Bhai's guidance, we will follow his footsteps, because I guess Vicky Bhai is doing very good in cricket and sports. So I guess he's taken 1 or 2 teams in some other league also. So we'll support that and maybe be a part of it.
You're from construction CEO, right sir? Yes. Can you tell us about your business related? If you want to tell us about regarding how your business functions, how you work?
See, I'll just tell you one small thing. It's we have a very good project coming up just 2 lanes behind us called Joy Legend. It's one of the best projects that we have launched in Khar, Bandra and Mumbai. And 2 days back only we have launched the show flat. So I recommend each and every person seeing this, please come and have a visit and have a look at the show flat. And please, I'll tell you, before buying anything else, you can buy this. And this is a construction where it's a 1.5 acres of land, which no developer in this area has acquired such a big land. And it is one of the best projects. We are offering 60% square of amenities, and no other developer can offer that amenities in this area.
So recently government passed the one bill.
We are welcoming it with both the hands. It's a superb thing that the government has taken the move. It's like the developer who wants to deliver the product and the developers who want to do the work. It's good for them, and we openly welcome this decision. It's one of the best decisions that they have taken, and I guess for my future, for my sons and everything, this will be the best part that the government has taken.
Thank you so much for talking to us, and best of luck.
Thank you.
कट्टा वेद ले लो
सिंगल फोटो पिक्चर लो
बस भाई अभी लाइट एक्ट में आएगा. फोटो निकालो सर. नहीं
वो किधर है?
मेरे को मिलाओ.
ए भाई पिक्चर ले भाई.
इतना निकलता है दांत निकलता है. Any language.
Okay. So can you tell us about your name and how you associate this cricket star?
My name is Naeem Bhati and I am the owner of Nassam Rangers, and I am a developer by profession. So we're doing a lot of projects in and around Bombay. We've completed a project in Khar with Vicky Bhai apparently helped us to sell. And then we're doing a project in Lonavala with the name of Montana View. We are doing in Thane, Bandra East. So a couple of projects, yes, we're doing. So basically I'm a developer, and that is how we've been connected to Vicky Bhai.
So you are young, now how you supporting this cause? Can you tell us about what is your help regarding this?
Basically, one day Vicky Bhai called me, gave me this proposal of having a team, buying a team, and I said, okay, why not? There are a couple of developers who are there in. So I took the team, and it's an exciting thing. I mean, let me tell you about Vicky Bhai. Vicky Bhai is a thorough professional. The way he's put up MCS and the way the program is, we've been enjoying. I mean, we've been enjoying as a thing. 3 months have been just entertainment, and entertainment, right?
Do you speak with any of the players, which background they're coming from, or they're getting motivated or not? Because you're putting up all the financial help. Are they satisfied or not?
Definitely they're being satisfied. I mean, if you have work and pleasure, who doesn't like it, right? So I think they've been playing, they're excited, they're motivated, and definitely that helps them in their work as well. So,
as you said, you are a developer. Recently the government passed one bill and it's also implemented. Are you satisfied? Because most of the builders are not satisfied satisfied?
Basically, we stand by the government. Whatever decision the government will take, that has to be abided. I mean, there is no other chance. And I think whatever the BJP government is doing for us, they're trying to get us organized. So it is time to get organized, and yeah, we are totally satisfied and we're with the government, 100%. RERA is for the people, by the people, and definitely it is, and we should abide by it. I want you to get introduced to my one more partner, please, and the team manager as well, Mr. Salim Karmali. He's one of the owners of the team. FPUL is his brand, and he's into packaging and gifting. And Mr. Ishfaq Qadri, who's the team manager, he handles all the day-to-day activities of the team. So a big hi from Salim bhai. Could you say a few words?
Also, can you tell us about Joy?
Ishfaq, please join in. I mean, join in.
This is the first time we have entered this tournament, and it's a real good pleasure of playing in the league, and everything is going right. The decision making, the organizing, and we are very happy.
How was the experience working with this team?
I got it. The experience has been really good because Mr. Kandari, who is organizing the tournament, is a very fair person and takes care of each and everything. Small minute put up such a big ground and see the tournament, see the final, only how it is ground, see the crowd.
Can you tell us about your team and lots of talk about you? Can you tell us?
We have just enjoyed a very much. Kandari ji put up a great tournament. We have enjoyed it. We are getting fit. We are playing. We are enjoying the tournament. Hopefully we continue playing here. Enjoying the tournament.
Do you think this kind of cost will help the youngsters promote the game?
Yes, it will, but obviously promote everybody. There are new talents, there are old talents which have stopped playing, they are coming back playing. As you can see, Mr. Salim Bhai.
Look at the camera.
Mr. Salim Bhai is playing, losing weight, whose enthusiasm is so good. In the cricket, you can see him, he's fit now, he's playing for us. So there are talents, there are old talents, all are coming up playing. We are enjoying the cricket.
Thank you. Welcome.
And we are here since season 1, MCS season 1, which started in October, and we are playing the second season of this tournament. And last time we were 4th in the rankings, and this time we were third in the rankings. So we lost yesterday and we are not playing today. All the best to the two teams which are playing today.
Okay, so how was the experience working?
Excellent, very good, very nice. Everything was planned superbly. Everything was planned so sophisticatedly, and so I mean, everyone was enjoying this such a big tournament in this area, Bandra, Khar area, where all the players are like. This format of game is really, it is really a big tournament. Well, it's a very big tournament in this side of area, Bandra Khar. So it was a really big thing to be a part of this tournament, and we really thank Vicky Kandari to make us a part of this tournament. And three cheers to him. And this is a really big tournament which we really want to play again and again.
Any further planning going regarding?
Of course, we look forward for the season 3, which I think so might not be so soon, might be up in October or something. We really definitely will love to be a part of this season 3, and definitely it is a really we have really cherished every moment over here. We played so well. 10 games out of 10 games we won 8 games, and we just lost 2 games, and we were like almost on the verge of playing today in the final, but unfortunately we lost yesterday.
Rolling.
Last year. For us, the first year, but it was amazing experience. Nearly about 180 players, them, and seeing each and every game. It was a very nice experience. In the first year for us, but then to never felt like it was a family type of environment. Hats off to the organizers, Govind Bhai, Dharmesh Bhai.
Bob Energy.
First, tell your name and how you associate this.
I'm Sanjay Saijwani, associated with NCS, just Vicky Bike, just for Vicky Kandari. And
Doing a very good job regarding associating.
yeah, it's super. It's a wonderful job what we've done, and the amount of energy between the youngsters and all the players is very, very well.
Can you tell us more about this events related? How, because it is not only first, second year,
Yeah, this is the second.
how it motivate this year?
I think you should have more in a year. You should have 3 to 4 in a year if possible, of course, because people love to play cricket, and everybody loves to play cricket, and it's also keeping everyone fit, so it's very nice.
Any idea you have given to?
He is the best. क्या idea they give him? He's done such a superb job. इसमें ना ही there's nothing negative about it. There's no fault in it. तो उसको कैसे better करेंगे? He'll definitely do it better next time. So.
Rolling guys.
Rolling.
Sir, can you tell us about your name and how you associate with Mumbai Cricket Star?
My name is Nadeem Khan, and I am the co-team owner of Lokanwala Lions. That's how I'm associated with this cricket stars.
How you motivate this player, your player, team player?
We've had our own strategies and we've had our own game plays. It's unfortunate that we lost the semi-final yesterday. Yeah, we played good cricket, and of course, hats off to MCS to get such a great tournament.
What makes you take a one team? What makes you motivate you to make them one team? Why take
Cricket is my life. I love it. So I've been playing for my school, I've been playing for my college, I've been playing a lot of cricket in my and now that we've become old, there are much better cricketers over here. That motivates us. The youngsters definitely motivate us.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Sunrise, Santagus Sunrise.
Okay, so you're a player or?
I'm a player. I'm a player.
So how you motivate all your colleagues and all your team players?
So we are here to win. We are here to play as a team. So that's all.
How was the experience?
Experience
Whole
wonderful.
journey.
Just tournament is covered very beautifully, and all the teams are very competitive. Especially the last 4 teams are very competitive.
Do you think your team will win?
We are going to win. There's no second options.
So what strategy you have used to win this?
To hold them out at as less as 90, 80, 90, but I think 95 is already gone. So maybe 96 is win, 97 is win.
Thank you so much.
Yep, pleasure.
Tell your name and how you associate this Mumbai cricket star and
My name is Atik and we have associated because we know Vicky Bhai and Vicky Bhai knows us Salim sir, who is the captain of our team and also the owner of the team. So that's why we know Vicky Kandari.
How was the experience?
Very much.
This is
Experience was very nice because this is the second season and second season we are playing this tournament. Last year we were up to the semi-finals and this year we tried hard, so we are into the finals now.
Do you think your team will get?
Inshallah, definitely.
Best of luck and
thank you
so
sir.
much.
Yeah, see, this is Mumbai Cricket Stars. Here we have teams from different locations, like we have Bandra Rock Stars, Juhu Giants, Santa Cruz Sunrisers, Parla Gladiators, Andheri Super Kings, Lokhandwala Lions. So we have made an umbrella in which we can take different locations all over Mumbai and we can have good real overarm cricket, which goes from 10 overs and today the finale is of 15 overs. एंड मैं चाहता हूँ कि यहाँ पे हम सब लोग मिलें, हम सब दोस्त लोग वर्किंग डे पे जैसे मंडे ट्यूसडे वेडनेसडे शाम को 7 से 10 बजे हम यहाँ खेलते हैं। 27 फरवरी को ये स्टार्ट हुआ और आज इसका ग्रैंड फिनाले है। देयर आर 11 टीम्स प्लेइंग इन दिस लीग एंड वी डोंट हैव 2 groups, we have only 1 group in which every team gets a chance to play with the other team. And we have tried to focus that everyone gets to perform, everyone just वो यहाँ के ऐसे खाली रुक के नहीं चले जाएं, you know. हर टीम में मैक्सिमम 16 प्लेयर हैं, 16 में से 11 लोग खेल रहे हैं और 11 लोग परफॉर्म करने के लिए यहाँ आते हैं, खेलने के लिए यहाँ आते हैं। और मेरी ये दिली इच्छा है कि कम्युनिटी बिल्डिंग हो जहाँ पे हर कास्ट के लोग मिल के भाई बन के यहाँ पे खेलें। तो ये एक ऐसा माध्यम मैं बनाना चाहता हूँ आगे चल के जो बड़े अम्ब्रेला में जाए। अभी जैसे मेरी कंपनी है मुंबई क्रिकेट स्टार्स, हम लोग एक इवेंट कर रहे हैं विल्सन जिमखाना में 10 मई को, जो भारतीय जनता पार्टी यूथ का इवेंट है जो मेरे कंपनी ने ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया है। तो इस तरीके से हम अलग अलग इवेंट्स करके क्रिकेट को, फुटबॉल को, सबको एक अलग लेवल पे लेके जाने की इच्छा रखते हैं।
सर, जैसे कि ये जो प्लेयर है अलग अलग जगह से आने वाले लोग हैं, कहाँ से आए, मतलब कुछ बताना चाहिए?
ये सब लोकेशन से आए हैं। जैसे अंधेरी की अपनी एक टीम है, पारला की अपनी टीम है, जूहू की अपनी टीम है, खार की अपनी टीम है। उस तरीके से हर लोकेशन से यहाँ पे लोग आए हुए हैं।
तो दिस आर फुल टाइम प्लेयर और दे जस्ट
नहीं, इसमें 2-3 फुल टाइम प्लेयर्स भी हैं जो आर गुड प्लेयर्स, वो आर रेगुलर प्लेयर्स, और बाकी हमारे फ्रेंड्स हैं। सो अ ब्लेंड ऑफ बोथ इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट। जैसे खाना पूरा मीठा नहीं अच्छा लगता, पूरा तीखा नहीं अच्छा लगता, खट्टा मीठा होता है तो ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है।
तो which team will be going to win?
Today there are 2 teams playing, Santa Cruz Sunrisers and the other side is Bandra Rock Stars. The winning prize for the first team is 1 lakh of rupees and the runner-up is 50,000.
These guys are basically playing for Nassam Rangers And let me introduce to you guys Mr. Jamie, who's been an all-rounder and the best valuable player in our team and also in the entire MCS. And he's Mr. Hussain. Guys, you need to know that he's unbeatable. He's got the highest sixes, best score, fastest score. All the trophies goes to Mr. Hussain and Mr. Jimmy. And it has been said in Khargem that if you, the best batsman as well, if it is told in Khargem that if you can take their wicket, you can take anybody's wicket. I mean, they are the Sachin Tendulkar and Dhoni of Khargem.
It is not like that. It is not like that.
Yeah.
Actually, my name is Dinesh Natekar, but all call me Jamie. It's a nickname. So I play for MCS also. I play season. Now I'm trying further to play TPL. It's through Premier League like IPL. I'm just trying for that. And I'm very thankful that Nassam Rangers have given me the good opportunity to play. Thank you.
Sir said lot of appreciation you are getting here.
Sorry?
Lot of appreciation he said regarding you.
Yeah, I appreciate all that thing. Actually, this is my first interview. And yeah,
Okay.
and let's see what will go further. I'm trying to do my best. He's Hussain.
Mr. Hussain.
He's Hussain, one of the best players of our team.
मेरा नाम हुसैन शेख है। एक्चुअली मुझे क्रिकेट बहुत पसंद है, मैं बचपन से खेल रहा हूँ। खारजिम खाने में बहुत टाइम से खेल रहा हूँ। अभी नसम रेंजर्स में चांस मिला है तो अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस हुआ, मगर कुछ हो गया, हार गए हम लोग, फाइनल तक नहीं आ सके। इंशाल्लाह देखेंगे, अभी अक्टूबर में वापस सीज़न 3 है, इंशाल्लाह हम लोग उसमें फाइनल में आने की कोशिश करेंगे।
And how about, Hussain bhai, it has been told कि आप unbeatable हो. I mean, Hussain is unbeatable in Khargem. आपके नाम से Khargem मिलता है.
That is very true.
Very true.
That is
and I
very
think
true.
you've taken the purple cap and also the orange and blue and the yellows and the reds and the whites and the blacks.
Yeah.
They're all meant for you. What do you think about it? I mean, थोड़ा उसके बारे में बोलो. I mean, ये कैप उठाने के बाद कैसा लगा आपको?
काफ़ी अच्छा लगा। पर्पल कैप थी मेरे सर पे, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था कि इतने बड़े टूर्नामेंट में इतना अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस के बाद मुझे पर्पल कैप मिली है, तो काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा था। अंदर से एनर्जी आ रही थी कि आगे के सीज़न में मैं अच्छा खेलूँ और अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस दूँ।
Thank you so much.
You need, I mean, I want you guys to be. You need an introduction from Mr. Sameer. Sameer bhai, 1 minute. Mr. Aslam also. So Mr. Aslam is. Arey, you need to take his introduction. Sameer, come man. Mr. Aslam Bhati is the main. Okay. Okay. So I need to introduce you guys to Mr. Aslam Bhati, who is the.
I will introduce. So introduce yourself and how you associate this event.
See, I'm basically just a visitor.
Okay.
His elder brother, and I'm a well-wisher for Nassam Rangers.
Okay.
They all have played very well, and I've seen only one match of them, but I see a bright future of them, especially these two young players. They've put their heart out on this game. They've played very well, and I wish them all the best for future. And I see a very bright future for MCS. And I wish them all the best, and I congratulate the whole team, especially Nassam Rangers, Mr. Salim Karmali, and I wish they go far ahead.
And also, guys, he is the main chairperson of Nassam Group, and he is the NRI partner associated with Nassam Group for a number of years. And Nassam is all because of him, whatever Nassam is.
Just
100%. Thank you.
So much.
Thank you for the support.
क्रिकेट इज़ माई पैशन और विक्की कंधारी ने मुझे इनवाइट किया और बड़ा रोमांचक मैच हो रहा है। खार जिमखाना जो है इज़ अ वेरी आइकॉनिक ग्राउंड। हमारा बचपन यहाँ बीता है और आज यहाँ के बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। बैंड्रा रॉकस्टार्स भी अच्छा खेल रहे हैं, सांता क्रूज सनराइजर्स बड़ी कड़ी मेहनत कर रहे हैं और कुछ भी हो सकता है।
और सर कुछ आपकी मेमोरी बचपन की, आप क्रिकेट से जुड़े?
बहुत सी मेमोरीज हैं। यहाँ तो हम लोग आते थे, खेलते थे और मैं अपने स्कूल के लिए भी खेलता था। जब यह बच्चा खेल रहा था बहुत अच्छा। हम लोग तो उस ज़माने में सीज़न बॉल से खेलते थे, अभी टेनिस बॉल से खेल रहे हैं। बड़ी अच्छी यादें। आपने अच्छा सवाल किया है, तो ऐसा लगता है कि अभी मैं बॉल पकड़ूं और सीधा ग्राउंड पर पहुंच जाऊं और क्रिकेट खेलूं। और एक बार मैंने 6 for 19 लिया, 6 विकेट्स लिया था। मैं ओपनिंग बॉलर था और अगर म्यूज़िक में नहीं आता तो क्रिकेट में ज़रूर आता था। मुझे बहुत शौक था।
सर यहाँ पे जो प्लेयर खेल रहे थे उनको देख के आप बहुत प्रोत्साहन हो रहे थे, आप बहुत उन्हें मोटिवेट कर रहे थे।
हाँ, क्योंकि बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि ये जो हमारा सोसाइटी है इसमें बहुत से टैलेंटेड लोग हैं और यहाँ ना जाने कौन सा नग मिल जाए। आप जानते हैं मैं इंडियन आइडल का जज हूँ, तो हम लोग नग ढूंढते रहते हैं। यहाँ भी कोई अच्छा खेलने वाला बैट्समैन या बॉलर या फील्डर हो तो मज़ा आ जाए। इसी तरह बड़े बड़े क्रिकेटर्स बनते हैं ना।
अरमान मलिक का बहुत मजाक उड़ाया गया है सोनाक्षी सिन्हा ने।
उसके बारे में मैं क्रिकेट की बात करता हूँ,
लेकिन आपको नहीं लगता
मैं उसके बारे में बात ही नहीं करूँगा।
सर एक आखिरी सवाल है, जो पाकिस्तान हमारे इंडियन जो बीहेडेड हुए हैं,
वो भी पॉलिटिकल सवाल है। एट दिस मोमेंट क्रिकेट के बारे में बात करते हैं, सो डोंट टॉक टू मी एनीथिंग बिकॉज मैं सुनकर बड़ा डिस्टर्ब हुआ हूँ। वो जो आप सिर्फ सवाल कर रहे हैं बहुत डिस्टर्बिंग न्यूज़ है, वो बहुत दिल को दहलाने वाली और दुखद समाचार है।
थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू।
बोलना चाहूँगा सर के लिए।
सर ट्यूबलाइट का टीजर आपने देखा?
से शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा मेरे बड़े भाई का, अन्नू मलिक जी। इट इज़ सो काइंड ऑफ हिम टू बी हियर। ही ऑलवेज सपोर्ट्स मी एंड ही इज़ ऑलवेज विथ मी। ही इज़ मोर देन अ फैमिली टू मी, सो आई एम ट्रूली ओब्लाइज्ड दैट यू आर हियर सर।
थैंक यू विकी। और आपके बारे में, और पिंकी जी हमारे बगल में हमारी छोटी बहन है और मैं बड़ी इज्जत करता हूँ, मेरे छोटे भाई हैं। मैं समझता हूँ कि विकी जी जो बीइंग अ टॉप क्लास बिल्डर अपना वक्त निकालते हैं टू प्रमोट क्रिकेट और इट शोज़ हिज पैशन फॉर क्रिकेट। ये मुझे देखते रहते हैं। ही नोज हाउ आई सपोर्ट माय मुंबई इंडियंस और मैं दीवाना हूँ मुंबई इंडियंस का। और ये भी धीरे धीरे देखिए, अगर आप नोटिस करें जिस तरीके से इन्होंने ग्राउंड का एक एटमॉस्फेयर बनाया है, बड़ा कार्निवल काइंड ऑफ, जहाँ म्यूज़िक चल रहा है, खाना है, दोनों टीम्स आए हुए हैं, उनके फैमिलीज आए हुए हैं। इट्स ए ब्यूटीफुल फीलिंग। और मैं चाहता हूँ कि जितना भी हमारे सोसाइटी में ये चीज़ें इनक्रेज की जाएँ ऑफ प्लेइंग टुगेदर, हैविंग फन टुगेदर, आई थिंक इट्स एन अचीवमेंट। और एक बहुत खूबसूरत कप भी बनाया इन्होंने।
बाहुबली 2 के जो रिकॉर्ड है वर्ल्ड वाइड रिकॉर्ड तोड़ते ही जा रहे हैं, तो आपने ये फिल्म देखी?
मैंने देखी और मैं बाहुबली का इतना बड़ा फ़ैन हूँ। हम अपने शोज़ में बार बार पूछते थे कटप्पा को क्यों मारा, मगर अभी वो भी रीज़न पता लग गया है। लेकिन राजा मौली जी का मैं बहुत बड़ा फ़ैन हूँ और ये ऐसा एक फ्रेंचाइजी है which every Indian should be proud of. I love it.
So box office collection लगातार टूटते जा रहे हैं।
उसके लगातार टूटते जाएंगे। बाहुबली is a film that will stand the test of time और hats off to the entire team.
मैं यही चाहता हूँ अन्नू जी, इस बात पे मैं ये बोलना चाहूँगा इफ़ यू ऑल अलाउ कि दुआ कीजिए कि मैं MCS को क्रिकेट का बाहुबली बना सकूँ।
बहुत बड़ी बात बोली विकी जी ने। जय माता दी। और विकी जी मैं पहले बार कह चुका हूँ कि ये अपना वक्त निकालते हैं इतना बिजी स्केड्यूल में भी कि क्रिकेट को इनकरेज करते हैं और ये चाहते हैं इस फ्रेंचाइजी को और आगे लेके जाएं। सो आई विश हिम ऑल द बेस्ट। एंड विकी जी तहे दिल से
आप एक दोस्त का मुझे सपोर्ट चाहिए।
विकी जी तहे दिल से आपको मैं मुबारकबाद देना चाहता हूँ। आपने मुझे याद किया, यहाँ मुझे बुलाया इस एटमॉस्फेयर में। थैंक यू सो मच।
आप आए, वी आर रियली ऑनर्ड। आपने महफिल में 4 चांद, एक्चुअली 4 भी नहीं कई चांद लगा दिए सर।
थैंक यू मिसेस और मेरी छोटी बहन। और मैं समझता हूँ कि कभी मैं इनका जो मैसेज आता है और मैं कभी रिप्लाई नहीं कर पाऊँ तो पिंकी जी का ज़रूर आ जाता है। उनको पता है कि उनका भाई है, वो रिप्लाई करके आ ही जाएगा। और ये बहुत इनकरेज करती हैं अपने पति को भी। और माहौल भी देखो बड़ा रंगीन हो चुका है इनके आने से। आप भी कुछ बताइए।
थैंक यू सो मच। अन्नू मलिक जी इतने हम्बल है, इतने स्वीट है। ही इज़ लाइक अ फैमिली मेम्बर, ही इज़ आवर फैमिली।
थैंक यू सो मच।
और उन्होंने हमको इस MCS में इतना सपोर्ट किया है कि like we just can't say. Without him we wouldn't have been here today with his support and with his so much confidence and concern that he has given us to the entire family. और मेरे हस्बैंड ने ये कहा ना कि कटप्पा ने बाहुबली को क्यों मारा, पता चलेगा भाई MCS निक को किसने बनाया, तो मैं ये क्वेश्चन उनको पूछूंगी, भाई विकी ने MCS क्यों स्टार्ट किया? इसका आंसर हमको मिलना चाहिए।
क्योंकि यहाँ मेरे गाने बज चुके हैं, मेरे गाने बजे, हंगामा हो, नए नए क्रिकेटर्स मिले, और यू नेवर नो इसमें कौन सा नग मिल जाए जो आगे चलकर बहुत नाम कमाए, हम बोलेंगे यार हम लोग देख रहे थे मैच और बहुत बड़ा स्टार बन गया।
बस इंशाल्लाह।